Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know all you can see is eyebrows, but we're going to get into it. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions and like some tried and testing of some products that I have from Makeup Revolution. Disclaimer, I am a Revoholic. Makeup Revolutions to me is one of the best makeup brands that there are, and I know they're in drugstores, girl, but I don't even see them like a drugstore makeup brand. I'm glad that they've introduced the Pro line now, because really this is such a high quality brand. The only thing is that it's so affordable that you're just like, well, what's wrong with it? Nothing. And I'm going to show you today. So today I'm going to be testing out the Conceal and Define concealers. I have loads. Look, I have more here. I have a lot, guys. I am a Revoholic. I have a lot. They're all here. They're all here. So we're going to be testing those out. And I also got some of their new foundation base sticks. Also, I got 3 colors. And I'm going to swap them and I'm going to put them also onto my face and let you guys see. And like, let's just see if we can do a look. Because obviously this eyebrow situation, girl. This is not it. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this new baking oil. So I'm just going to take some out. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, probably not. I think that's enough. A few drops on my face. Just rub it in all over the face. And guys, if you're interested in this new wig, I just recently did a video on it, so you can go and check that out after this. This smells really good and it feels really nice on my skin. I can feel the hydration happening, girl. F12 is the closest to my skin. So that's what I'm going to start with. Okay, so it does look a little bit light for me. I'm not going to lie. It does. I'm a bit scared, so I'm not going to put too much on. I definitely think I've got the wrong colour. But let's try and blend it out anyway. Yeah, guys. Oh my god, this is the wrong colour. This is the wrong colour. Okay, as you can see, it is the wrong color. However, it's blending into my skin so well. I'm actually going to use a brush because I feel like a brush is better. It is blending into my skin really well. It's just the wrong color. I probably need the color down. However, I can probably bring that back after, so I'm just going to keep on going. So this is the colour blended into my skin. Now granted, it is the wrong colour. However, it still has blended into my skin really well. And the oil has made it feel so much nicer to blend in. I even got to use my brush, which I don't usually use because I just find it doesn't blend very well. But because I had the oil as the base, it felt like it was moving into my skin really well. And it's actually blended in really nicely with just the brush. And I hardly ever use a brush. So let's go ahead and do some of the concealers. I absolutely love these concealers. I have quite a few, so I'm not lying to you. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm not sponsored. I bought them all by myself, girls. And I'm gonna swatch some of them for you. C13 and C12 in these Conceal and Defines the best. I'm gonna go in and use, I think, C12 just because I'm going for a more highlighted look right now. And then I'm just gonna go in and blend this out. As you can see, that has blended out quite a highlighted look, which is what I go for under my eyes when I go for full coverage. If I was going for like an everyday look, I'd definitely use the C13 because it has a little more warmer undertone. But since I'm going for a highlighted eye right now, that is perfect. So next I'm going to go back with the foundation base in F16 for my contour. Now I don't usually use cream contour, so it will be interesting to see how this pans out. Oh wow, wow, this is dope. When it comes to my skin tone, it's really hard getting good contour colors. It's so hard because it's like my skin is brown, dark brown with yellow undertones, so it's like dark but light. And so when it comes to contouring as well, it's like you want to get a color that contours kind of naturally and not too harshly, so you need like more of a red undertone in a contour. Now this is actually not a contour stick, it's a foundation stick, but to use this for a contour, is look at this warmness. Oh, it doesn't make me look dusty, girl. I am still looking very, you know, very warm, girl. I am looking tropical. Oh, I love this. This is my new contour stick. Look, wow, I'm getting my whole life. I'm getting my whole life makeup revolution. I'm getting my whole life off of this. Look, no chalk, none. Look at how it's just snatched my nose. I actually can't. Are you okay? I'm not even using the right brush at this point. And melted. Is this right? Are you seeing this? How subtle this contour is, but still very present but warm. Can everyone please pay attention to my nose, the snatch? Whoa. So I'm just lightly baking my highlighted areas now. And we're going to go in with some eyeshadow. I don't know whether to use my Makeup Revolution HD palette, or I don't know whether to use this new 24 karat gold palette that I got when I went to Makeup Revolution's party the other day. It was amazing. We got this 24K palette. We also got a rose gold ingot highlighter, and we got a lip, I think it's a lip gloss. They have a new pro collection. Go and check it out. I'll put all the details below. But yeah, so I think I'm going to go in with my new 24 karat gold palette just because I haven't used it before. So, I love the packaging on this. This is like life. I'm then going to take one of the Flawless Florals in the colour Revival. I actually have 3 of these. Oh, maybe I should use that colour. I'm going to use the colour Unicorn today because that's just how I feel. I feel like a bit of a unicorn. I think I look like a bit of a unicorn as well lately, don't I, with this hair. So how this foil thing works is basically you have some little droplets right here, and then you have the eyeshadow base. And I think you literally just open the eyeshadow base, and as far as I'm aware, you drop it. I'm next going to go in with the one blush stick. I put a little bit because this is very punchy on my cheeks, like so. I'm going to take a stippling brush and I'm going to stipple this out. So guys, my battery died and I didn't know it had died. So I'm just going to go over the last few steps that I did. So basically I blended in the blusher and I took a fluffy brush and I just dusted off the highlighted areas. So that was right here and down here. I went in with the new Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment, right? And this is so like, it is so lightweight, it feels so good. And then I wanted to line my lips, and I hate using pencil. I always use like a lip gloss or a dark lipstick. and I couldn't find one near to me. So what I actually used was the Conceal and Define in one of the darkest colors, which, you know, I can't use as a concealer because it's too dark. I can't use as a contour as its tone is a bit, you know, deep. It's not warm enough. It's more ashy. So girl, I found another use for it and I made it my lip liner. So I'm just going to go over it again for you guys. Obviously you can kind of see it's on already, but I'm going to go over what I did around the bottom of my lip and the top. And it's the right tone for a lip liner. And guys, because it's like dries matte, it actually dries matte on my lip, which goes really well with this new color. And this color is the color Illusion. And guys, I just blended that in. And look at that. Look how good it looks. Dual use. And then last but not least, I did go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray. And I took the Pearl Highlights Loose Highlighter by Makeup Revolution, which I love. And this is in the color Sunset Gold. I literally only need a little bit. I don't know if you can see on my hand. Probably not. I'll put some more. But right here, I've got just a little bit. And this is not the right brush. But anyway, I'm just going to take this brush. And literally, I just work that into my cheeks and just above here, and the same on the other side. And just above here and down the nose. And girl, we have a look. We have a look, girl. That is the final look. So if you guys have made it through to the end of the video, thank you for spending this whole time with me. If you do like me doing makeup tutorials, please like this video and comment below and let me know. Also guys, because you've made it this far and you know you are clearly gang, I hope you're subscribed. If not, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're made aware when I do make videos. But also I have a special surprise for you. I'm actually going to be giving away 2 of the Makeup Revolution bags, which had in them, as you saw, the 24K gold palette. They had the Pro Matte Illusion color lipstick in them, and they also had the rose gold highlighter. So I'm going to be giving away 2 bags which both have these items in them, and all you have to do to win this mini competition contest is be subscribed to my channel, obviously, follow me on either Instagram or Snapchat, and then you have to leave your @name for your Instagram or your Snapchat down below in the comments so that I can find you to make sure that you're following me, girl. And you could be in a chance with winning 2 of these goodie bags, and you also get the bag, girl. You get the bag. Look at this bag. This is cute. So if you want to be in with a chance of winning, check all the details in the description box down below. Also make sure you follow me on my socials just in general, because you know I'm a little bit lit. And yeah guys, I hope you're having a great day, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Deuces.